तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hi guys, welcome to Screen Guru. So here I am with our daily current affairs series, that is 10 minutes and 10 plus current affairs. So today's date is 11 December 2021 and here are your current affairs MCQs. So the first question goes, ISA was jointly launched by India and which other country? So the options are Canada, France, Russia, United Kingdom. Okay, so these are your options. So the right answer is very easy, right? Don't get confused. Your right answer is France. ISA stands for International Solar Alliance. Okay? Please make a note if you aren't aware about it. Moving ahead, ISA recently got its observer status in UNSC, UNSDP, UNESCO or UNGA. Now UNSC stands for United Nations Security Council. UNSDP stands for United Nations Human Development Program. Then UNESCO stands for United Nations Economic, Social and Cultural Organization. And UNGA stands for United Nations General Assembly. Okay, so here the right answer is option D, that is UNGA. ISA recently got its observer status and hence it was in news. Anything related to ISA could be asked, so please do find out more information about it. Who is the first Nobel laureate from Philippines? So options are Maria Ressa, Jaria Kaitom, Jessa Alimand, Chrissy Hems. So the right answer is option A, that is Maria Ressa. So she with one more Nobel laureate, what they did was they recently gave a speech in which they stressed over the fact of right use of social media and they warned that there would be more violence. Recent US and the recent US Russia Ukraine tensions going on, right? So their point is social media should be regulated for non-violent things, should be regulated for truth, unity, etc. But social media is like making two ends of different points. So that was their point and hence they warned us about more violent incidents in the coming future. So coming to our fourth question, that is The Gun, the AK-47 and the Evolution of War. It's a book written by C.G. Chivers, C.K. Hadley, Chris Pierce and Sia Cook. So the right answer is option A, that is C.G. Chivers. Now this author's books is very important regarding different types of exams. In many competitive exams like FCAT, there are straight away direct questions. Okay, and also there was a recent questions regarding The Alchemist book. It was in The Alchemist के author का नाम पूछा गया था. So it was in RRB Clerk Mains. RRB Clerk Mains exam में ये question पूछा गया था. So there are direct questions. Okay, so these books and its authors are very important. Please make daily notes out of it and read wherever possible and just go through them every now and then. Okay, moving ahead. Who is currently world number 1 chess player in all formats? The year is mentioned, that is 2021. So options are Vishwanathan Anand, Magnus Carlsen, Vladimir Kramnik and Garry Kasparov. So very easy question. Answer is B, that is Magnus Carlsen. We all know Vishwanathan Anand is not currently a world number 1 chess player. He is number 1 in India. Okay, well known in India, but he is not world number 1 chess player. So that goes out. Vladimir Kramnik, he is also well known. He is a Russian player. Okay, and Garry Kasparov is also a well known player, but he is not the world number 1. And recently this was in news because Magnus Carlsen has again won one different championship. Okay, moving ahead to our sixth question, that is cricket featured in the Olympics in the year Options are 1896, 1900, 1920 and 1904. So the right answer is option B, that is 1900. Okay, and this was in news because 2028 में जो ओलंपिक्स खेला जाएगा उसमें क्रिकेट नहीं होने वाला है. फाइन, उन्होंने कैंसिल कर दिया है क्रिकेट गेम को, तो इसीलिए ये न्यूज़ में था. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि वो फीचर कब किया था ओलंपिक्स में. Moving ahead to our 7th question. Summer Olympics 2028 was in news, so you should know the venue. That is the place the Olympics will be played in. So options are New York, Rio de Janeiro, Beijing or Los Angeles. Rio de Janeiro is in Brazil, New York is in US, Beijing is in China. Right? I already pointed out that you should be more and more curious about it. Rio de Janeiro, when Rio de Janeiro comes, you should know about 7 wonders. Right? When Beijing comes, you should know about CPEC, Border Road Initiative, the Belt Road Initiative, right? China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, and then comes to India-China relations, etc., etc. So this is how you will broaden your perspective as well as make the current affairs useful for you. Okay? And Los Angeles is in, आप बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में लॉस एंजलिस कहाँ है. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज लॉस एंजलिस. ओके, लेट्स मूव अहेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. जेरेमी लालरिनुंगा. Sorry if I am pronouncing wrong, but this is how it is. This is how I can pronounce. That is Jeremy Larinunga. He is associated with which game? Options are squash, football, shooting or weightlifting. So it might sound to you as a football player, but it is not. So the right answer here is option D, that is weightlifting. So he is a teenage sensation currently, and he has recently won gold at Commonwealth Championship, okay, 2021. So he has currently won. He is a teenage sensation. Teenage sensation means very famous among the teenagers. Moving ahead, we have the 9th question. Who holds the world record for most number of test runs in a calendar year? Options are Mohammad Yunus, Sachin Tendulkar, Alistair Cook and Rohit Sharma. Okay, so surprisingly it is option A, that is Mohammad Yunus. Let me give you more information about it. So he plays for Pakistan and he holds the record with 1788 runs. Nowadays exams are quite more focusing into cricket and its static GK. Okay, so this becomes very important. In the recent exams there has been many questions regarding the cricket game. Okay, and Ashes are also going on, so test cricket comes into play, comes into the highlight, and you should know major static things about it. So 1788 runs in 11 matches and in the year 2006. Okay, moving ahead, who holds the Indian national record for most number of test runs in a calendar year? Options are Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Kapil Dev, Sachin Tendulkar. So the right answer is none other than the god of cricket, who is known as the god of cricket, that is Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so let me give you more information about it. With 1562 runs in 14 matches. Okay, and in the year 2010. So he is the Indian national record holder. India में सबसे ज़्यादा runs, टेस्ट runs एक कैलेंडर ईयर में बनाने वाले. Moving ahead, coming to our homework question. Divyansh Singh Pawar is associated with shooting, weightlifting, javelin throw or high jump. Okay, comment your answers below and also do share with your friends and challenge them if they can answer the question. Okay, so these are your answers as well. If you aren't aware about this, if you're looking or viewing this video for the first time or viewing this series for the first time, please know that I also share this PDF on the Telegram, WhatsApp groups. Okay, so if you aren't part of it, please join us on Telegram, Instagram as well as YouTube. YouTube जो चैनल अभी आप जो देख रहे हो वो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, आपको अपडेट्स आते रहेंगे. एक फुल फ्लेज्ड कोर्स आने वाला है जल्दी, फर्स्ट टाइम होगा YouTube पे हमारी तरफ से, और मोस्टली रेयरली आपको ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा. फुल फ्लेज्ड FCAT कोर्स आएगा अभी, and NDA as well in the planning stage, but FCAT will surely come. Okay, for the recent FCAT 1 2022, so please make sure you subscribe and support our group. यार आप सपोर्ट करोगे तभी हम आपके लिए और ज़्यादा मेहनत कर सकते हैं ना. और मैं भी तो एग्ज़ाम देने वाला हूँ, तो ऐसा नहीं कि आपको मैं कुछ गलत सिखाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैं जो पढ़ूंगा वही आपको बताऊंगा, राइट. सो डू जॉइन अस ऑन, do like, share, comment, etc. whatever it can be done on the YouTube, and do join us on Instagram for your updates, memes, connection, for contacting us, and Telegram पे आपको पता है ये सब PDF जो भी कंटेंट मैं बनाता हूँ वो PDF फॉरवर्ड कर देता हूँ Telegram पे, ताकि हम नोट्स वगैरह बना सको. एंड एवरीवेयर द चैनल नेम इज स्क्रीन गुरु चैनल, स्क्रीन गुरु डिस्कशन ग्रुप. ठीक है, ये आपको चैनल मिल जाएंगे, ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा. हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम अहेड, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
A few inches later.
ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर, हमारी पावर है. जब तक हम कह रहे थे करो 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 करो, तो कह रहे थे तुम करो. आज हमने कर दिया तो कह रहे हम करेंगे, तो करो ना भाई.